Today's National Piña Colada Day, and what better way to celebrate than with dessert? Miami chef and TV personality Chris Valdes is here with a fun twist on a classic Piña Colada Tres Leches cake. He's going to show us how easy it is to bring those tropical flavors to your next summer get-together. Chris, welcome to South Florida Live.
So excited to be here.
This sounds so good.
Yes, imagine this, 1954, Puerto Rico, the Caribbean Hilton Hotel. They asked their bartender, Don Romero, hey, make something that our guests are going to enjoy. So he creates something and it takes him 3 months, and he comes up with a Piña Colada. 20 years later, Puerto Rico calls it its national drink. So that's how we end up with this today, the Piña Colada Tres Leches.
Wow. Well, I love Tres Leches, so where was the inspiration to marry the two?
I was probably hungry, and my little chef mind is always asking questions like, I wonder what a Tres Leches and a Piña Colada, if they were to marry, how they end up. So this is how I created it.
It sounds like a great combo. Show us how easy it is to make.
So this is our panetela, which is our cake, basically. And then we had our Piña Colada mix, which is something we make from scratch. We don't want to do any of that store-bought stuff.
No.
So we have some coconut milk, cream of coconut. We have a little bit of pineapple juice, rum, if you're interested in the rum. Obviously, you need the rum in there.
Yes.
And then you have your toasted coconut, because we need a little texture. And when I made this, I'm like, we need a little texture in there and something extra sweet. So we caramelized some pineapple with some butter and some brown sugar, because more is more, and it's a sweet, so we want to enjoy it.
More is more when it comes to dessert.
Yes. So if you have whatever cup or ramekin you're going to use, you could definitely use it just like this. You use it just to cut off right there. So
I like this method too.
Yes.
I see it all the time on socials.
Just make sure you clean it a little, and then you poke a few little holes. And then if you want to help me put some of this liquid in there.
Okay.
And then while she's doing that, I have one ready here. And then keep in mind, sometimes you eat a Tres Leches and it's not moist enough. So it's important to keep adding liquid. It's going to, suck some of that liquid up. Just keep adding until it can't no more. So then we have some of our pineapple right here.
Yum.
With our brown butter pineapple. Then we made a fresh whipped cream. And by the way, you can find this recipe on my Instagram at Chef Chris Valdes, or if you want to hire us, Chef Chris Valdes Catering, and we make these bad boys all the time.
Yeah, I was going to ask, where can we get this? But we got to hire you privately.
Yes. Well, I don't come to the house, but my team comes and they serve this along with the churrasco and along with all the amazing things we do. So.